Philips TV not responding or acting up. In this video, I'll show you how to reset or force restart your Philips TV, whether you're using a Roku or Android model. All the methods are safe to try at home. No tools, no risky steps. If your Philips Roku TV is frozen or not working properly, you can do a force restart using a special button combination on your remote. Make sure the TV is on. Then, press the home button 5 times, press the up arrow once, then press the rewind button 2 times, and finally the fast forward button 2 times. After this, your TV will restart on its own. This method is quick and doesn't delete any of your apps or settings. If your Philips TV is frozen or unresponsive, a simple power cycle can help. First, turn off the TV and unplug it from the wall. If your TV has a physical power button, press and hold it for 30 seconds while it's unplugged. If there's no button, you can skip that part. Now wait for 1 full minute with the TV unplugged. After that, plug it back into the wall and turn it on. This works like a soft reset and can fix many basic issues. If the TV is still not working right, you can do a full factory reset through the settings menu. If you have a regular Philips TV or one that runs Android, go to Settings, then All Settings, then General Settings, and choose Reinstall TV. This will erase all your apps, saved Wi-Fi, and personal settings. If you're using a Philips Roku TV, press the Home button on your remote, go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings. From there, choose Factory Reset, and then select Factory Reset Everything. This will return the TV to its original state, just like when you first bought it. Some Philips TV models have a small reset button or pinhole near the ports. If you see this button, turn the TV on and use a paperclip or pin to press and hold the button for about 30 seconds. The TV will begin the reset process. This method works just like a factory reset and will remove all personal data and settings from the TV. That's it for this video on how to reset and force restart your Philips TV. I hope these methods helped you fix the issue and get your TV working again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Got any questions or did one of these methods work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.